Hey TikTok fam! Ready to dive into some awesome ways to make money on TikTok? Whether you're a seasoned creator or just getting started, there are plenty of opportunities waiting for you. In this video, we'll explore different strategies to turn your TikTok passion into cold, hard cash. From brand partnerships to affiliate marketing, we've got the lowdown on how to monetize your creativity. So, grab a seat and let's get into the exciting world of making money on TikTok. Earning money as a TikToker and making money online involves a combination of building a strong presence on TikTok, leveraging your audience, and exploring various monetization options. Build a large and engaged audience. Focus on creating high-quality and engaging content that resonates with your target audience. Consistency is key, so regularly post content and interact with your followers. Building a large and engaged audience on TikTok takes time, creativity, and consistency. Here are some tips to help you grow your TikTok following. Use trending sounds and challenges. Stay current with trending sounds and challenges on TikTok. Participating in popular trends can boost your visibility and attract new followers who are actively engaging with trending content. High quality and unique content. Create content that stands out. Whether it's funny, informative, or visually appealing, strive for high-quality content that sets you apart from others on the platform. Collaborate with other TikTokers. Collaborating with other creators introduces you to new audiences. Participate in duets or collaborations with creators who have a similar follower count or a slightly larger following. Optimize your profile. Ensure your profile is appealing and provides a clear snapshot of who you are and what kind of content you create. Use a recognizable profile picture and write an engaging bio. Use hashtags wisely. Include relevant and trending hashtags in your captions to increase the discoverability of your content. However, avoid overloading your captions with too many hashtags. Promote your TikTok on other platforms. Share your TikTok videos on other social media platforms like Instagram, Twitter, or Facebook. This cross-promotion can attract your existing followers to your TikTok account. Utilize TikTok ads. Consider using TikTok's advertising platform to promote your content to a broader audience. This can be particularly effective if you're aiming to grow your following quickly. TikTok has a creator fund that financially supports content creators. Switch to a pro account. Convert your TikTok account to a pro account if you haven't already. This can be done in your account settings. Review and agree to terms. If you meet the eligibility criteria, you may receive an invitation to join the creator fund. Review the terms and conditions carefully, and if you agree, you can opt in. Keep in mind that TikTok's policies and programs are subject to change, so it's essential to stay informed about any updates or modifications to the eligibility criteria. Live gifts and virtual items. Once you have a sizable following, you can go live on TikTok. During live sessions, viewers can send you gifts that can be converted into diamonds, which can then be converted into real money. You need to be at least 16 years old, have at least 1,000 followers, and have no recent violations of TikTok's community guidelines. Understand virtual gifts. TikTok users can purchase virtual gifts using in-app currency, such as coins. There are various types of gifts, ranging from small to large, each with a different coin value. Examples include panda gifts, drama queen gifts, and sports-related gifts. Cash out. You can convert the virtual gifts into diamonds, which can then be converted into actual money. TikTok provides a way for creators to cash out their earnings. Brand partnerships and sponsorships. Leveraging brand partnerships and sponsorships on TikTok can be a lucrative way to monetize your content. Reach out to brands. Once you've established your presence on TikTok, start reaching out to brands that align with your content and values. You can contact them through email or direct messaging on social media platforms. Create a media kit. Develop a media kit that showcases key information about yourself, including your follower count, engagement rates, and demographics. Highlight your best performing content and any previous successful collaborations. Offer value to brands. Clearly communicate the value you can provide to the brand. Explain how your audience aligns with their target demographic and how your creative style can effectively showcase their product or service. Negotiate terms. Once a brand expresses interest, negotiate the terms of the partnership. This includes discussing compensation, deliverables, timeline, and any specific requirements the brand may have. Deliver results. Execute the campaign according to the agreed upon terms. Monitor the performance of the sponsored content and provide the brand with any necessary analytics or insights. Build long-term relationships. Aim to build long-term relationships with brands. If a collaboration is successful, it can lead to future opportunities and increased credibility in the influencer marketing space. Affiliate marketing on TikTok can be a great way to earn money by promoting products or services and earning a commission for each sale made through your referral link. Join affiliate programs. Sign up for affiliate programs associated with products or services in your chosen niche. Popular affiliate programs include Amazon Associates, ClickBank, CJ Affiliate, and others. Select relevant products. Choose products that are relevant to your content and likely to appeal to your audience. It's essential to promote products that you genuinely believe in to maintain trust with your followers. Generate affiliate links. Once you've joined an affiliate program, generate unique affiliate links for the products you want to promote. These links help track sales back to your TikTok account. Create compelling content. Develop engaging TikTok content around the affiliate products. This could include product reviews, tutorials, unboxing videos, or creative and entertaining content that showcases the benefits of the products. Include your affiliate link. Clearly mention and include your affiliate link in the video caption or encourage viewers to check the link in your bio. TikTok currently doesn't support clickable links in captions, so directing users to your bio for the link is a common practice. Disclose affiliate relationships. It's crucial to be transparent with your audience. Clearly disclose that you're using affiliate links and may earn a commission if they make a purchase. This helps build trust with your followers. Track performance. Monitor the performance of your affiliate links. Most affiliate programs provide analytics that allow you to track clicks, conversions, and earnings. Use this data to assess the effectiveness of your campaigns. Making money with merchandise on TikTok involves leveraging your influence and engaging with your audience to sell branded products. Develop your brand. Before diving into merchandise sales, establish a recognizable brand for yourself on TikTok. This includes a consistent style, content theme, and persona that resonates with your audience. Understand your audience. Identify your target audience and their preferences. Knowing your audience helps in creating merchandise that appeals to their tastes and aligns with your content. Design unique products. Work with designers to create unique and eye-catching merchandise. This could include apparel, accessories, stickers, or any other items that showcase your brand and resonate with your followers. Quality matters. Ensure that the quality of your merchandise meets expectations. Satisfied customers are more likely to become repeat buyers and recommend your products to others. Limited editions and exclusivity. Create a sense of urgency and exclusivity by releasing limited edition merchandise. This can drive demand and encourage fans to make purchases to secure a unique item. Create videos showcasing the products, demonstrating how they can be used, or even involving your audience in challenges related to the merchandise. Set up e-commerce platforms. Decide where and how you want to sell your merchandise. Options include third-party e-commerce platforms like Shopify, Teespring, or even creating your own online store. Collaborate with merchandise partners. Explore partnerships with merchandise fulfillment services. These services handle the production, storage, and shipping of your products, allowing you to focus on content creation. Offer special discounts. Provide exclusive discounts to your TikTok followers. This creates an incentive for them to make purchases and rewards them for their loyalty. Adapt to trends. Stay current with TikTok trends and adjust your merchandise accordingly. Being agile in adapting to changing trends can keep your products relevant and in demand. Crowdfunding. Platforms like Patreon or Ko-Fi allow your fans to support you through monthly subscriptions or one-time donations in exchange for exclusive content or perks. YouTube channel. Cross-promote your TikTok content on a YouTube channel. YouTube's partner program allows you to earn money through ad revenue when you meet certain eligibility criteria. TikTok's Creator Marketplace connects brands with TikTok influencers. If you meet the eligibility criteria, you can register and potentially collaborate with brands directly through the platform. Offer services. If you have a specific skill or talent, offer services related to it. For example, if you're a dancer, offer online dance classes or tutorials. Remember to comply with TikTok's policies and guidelines, and always disclose any sponsored content or affiliate links to maintain transparency with your audience. Building a sustainable income as a TikToker may take time, so be patient and stay focused on creating valuable and entertaining content. That's a wrap on our guide to making money on TikTok. We covered some fantastic strategies, and now it's time for you to take action. Which method are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow TikTokers, and hit that subscribe button for more content like this. Remember, your creativity is your currency, so go out there and start turning those TikTok dreams into a reality. Until next time, stay creative and keep rocking on TikTok.